Welcome guys in this new lecture of Python versus C++ programming series. In today's lecture we are going to see how to add two numbers in Python and C++. Let's start with Python first. So to add two numbers I'll be needing two numbers. So I'll take A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10, the traditional two numbers. Now we have seen this addition program earlier, so here I'll simply print these two numbers. So let me take a message to display, and the output I'll write sum colon, and then outside quotes I'll write simply A plus B. So this is very simple program of adding two numbers, but this will serve the basis for other concepts in the coming lectures. So let me run this file and see the output. Okay, so you can see here sum is equal to 15. Now let's see how to write this in C++. Now we know that in C++ we need to include the standard libraries first. So I'll write hash include iostream and then using namespace dot std. We have seen the use of these things in the previous lectures. Now in C++ everything has to be inside the main function, and first we need to declare the variables. So at the time of declaration I am initializing the variables with the same values as of Python. So A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10, and then in cout we'll write the same variable. So let me write sum here, and then I'll write the insertion operators and A plus B like we did in Python. So the thing is that only syntaxes are changing and the concept is same like that of Python here. So let's see the output and it will verify our logic here. So there it is, sum is equal to 15. So this is how you can add two numbers in Python and C++. Again, this is very simple program and it will form the basis of other important concept in the coming lecture. Thank you.